you can close this, or if you want to bring back this home screen, under this Get Started tab, activate home screen from here. As a new user, this is better to use home screen. When you will get more used to with this environment, probably you don't need to use this home screen. Inside home screen, there are total 3 different areas. This is template area, right side top this is project area, and at bottom this area is a recent document area. Inside template area, you have to create part, assembly, drawing or presentation file by using all of those 4 buttons. But all of those templates are showing here, all are default template. If you want to use any specific template, in that case at bottom right corner inside this gray box, it's showing expand to show advanced templates. So expand this by selecting this border to right as well as at bottom. Now we can see there is an advanced tab is showing. Let's select this tab, and inside this advanced templates, all templates are available. English, metric, mold design and few other templates are available from here. As well as when I will select any template, based on that template selection, it will show you few information, template name, units, material, and if there is any predefined geometry available inside that template, that will show here. Inside this specific template, there is no predefined geometry, that's why this is blank. Let's say I want to use this template, double click with this template and it will create a file. Close this file, and this is my home screen again. Normally when you will work for any company, that company definitely has a specific template setup. You have to use those templates and you have to select all of those company's templates as a default template. Now minimize this area. Now if you look inside this right side area, this is a project area. Whatever project you will work, that project will show here. At this moment there are 3 projects are showing. We are working with Autodesk Inventor Essential Training project at this moment, that's why this is selected. When this is selected, at the same time few project informations are showing to right side. Name, type, location, workspace and few other important informations. Inside this area, this is a project tab. There are 2 other tabs are showing. Let's go inside shortcut tabs. If you work with any folder which is frequently used folder, you can add that folder here. You have to put a name, then put folder path. Then every time when you will select on this folder, it will directly open a specific folder. Exact same thing for link. You have to specify a link. Let's say you work with a specific supplier, let's say McMaster-Carr or Destaco. You have to put a name, then path, and every time when you will select that specific link, it will directly open that specific link for you. Then at bottom, this is called recent document area. Expand this area. Here left side, all of those options you are seeing, this is just a filter button. To right side there are 2 categories, unpinned and pinned area. All of those recent file will be listed inside it. But if you want to pin any specific file, you can pin that inside this pinned area. Let's say I want to pin this assembly. Probably next few days I have to work with this assembly. In that case, select on this pin button and this assembly document will shift inside this pin category. Let's unpin this, we don't need it. There are a few filter buttons are showing. Let's say I just want to see only part file. Unselect all of those options. Just select parts. It will filter only part files inside this box. Or let's say I just want to see part and drawing file. Then it will list all part and drawing file which I worked recently. If you want, you can rearrange this new shortcut and recent document section. Let's say I want to put reset document section at top. There are 3 buttons showing at top right. Select flip and recent document they will put at top. If you want to reset all entire thing, press reset button to reset everything. Inside recent documents tab, there are few different options are showing here. At this moment, this is showing large. If you don't want to show all of those documents with large icon, you can go with tiles or small or list. Whatever way you prefer, you can go with that. But this is better to use large. That way you can see model as well as tiles. Any one of these is better to use.